I'm Debbie Porter, I'm Managing Director of Destination Digital Marketing, and we're based in Bakewell in the Peak District National Park. We're a digital marketing agency and we look after lots of household brands and quite a few local businesses as well. We work with lots of brands for whom sustainability is a massive part of their own journeys. So we live and breathe their sustainability, their ethics and so on, and help them usher them through that process and how they respond to their own consumers. So we figured that that should apply to us too, and that we should be doing them good service by being sustainable where we can and ethical where we can at all times. So that's really why we started our journey. I signed up to Zellar because I got a subsidised account through a CRF grants officer that I was put in touch with, and I hadn't sort of considered that metric or that ability to measure what your carbon footprint was before, and so I found it a really useful tool. It's been really useful inputting things that we've already done into it and seeing how that affects a scorecard, and scorecard's really useful, but we hope to continue getting marginal gains where we can and looking at areas where we could have improvements to improve on that score. So that's our future plans, just to become as sustainable as possible. We've done quite a lot actually, which was part of signing up to Zellar. We didn't realise that we had. We've done everything that we can inside of our environment here, so we've changed all our lighting to LED lighting, for instance, which is quite an achievable aim. We have also got lots of policies in place, environmental policies that include lots of processes and policies related to printing, travelling and so on, so that we can just reduce our day-to-day carbon footprints and be mindful of it. And also, in this environment that we're in our offices, we partly chose to do our business here because they have a biomass fuel system here, energy system, which heats all of the offices here, and charging units outside in the car park. So they're great, and it's great to see that, and our landlord committed to that too. We are quite a cost-efficient company anyway. I think probably the biggest cost efficiency saving that we've had is through changing how we work with clients. Ordinarily I would be travelling all across the country because a lot of our clients are out of this county, so I'd be travelling huge distances to go and have meetings with them, whereas we now have Zoom or Teams meetings where we can, and that's become much more normalised these days as well. From our own point of view, what we want to do in the future, there's quite a lot of focus now on the carbon footprint of websites, and so that's going to be a new trend that we'll have to focus on, is how do you host your websites more ethically and on more sustainable data centres, and how do you improve on the performance of your websites, because essentially websites are run by lots of electricity and lots of server centres and data centres across the world. So that's where we're casting our gaze next, both for our website but also our clients.